guys, this is Shraddha Rane and welcome back to my channel where I'll be talking about my life experiences and sharing with you the life lessons that I learned in my journey. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting me in this journey of mine. Do you remember going to birthday parties as a child? 90s kids will remember the samosa and cake wala birthday parties. These parties would excite me but at the same time terrify me a lot. I hated when the cake touched the samosa. I couldn't stand the sight where two opposite tasting foods were mixed together and never ate the sweet part of the samosa. But today, I can eat it. And sadly, we don't have such parties anymore. I never liked eating the curry patta from the dal and in any other form as well. The thought of chewing a leaf would petrify me. But today, I chew it and eat it. तेवढं पण वाईट नाही लागत. I removed the outer part of the chapati that would be thicker when mummy gave me in my tiffin. But today, I eat the whole chapati. Wondering why I'm telling you all this? Let me tell. So after marriage, when we ate our meals together, my husband would say, "Khalla nahi तर कसं करणार?" Which means, if you don't eat in the first place, how will you know how it tastes? And slowly, under his terror, I started tasting everything that was on my plate. Today, to my surprise, I leave nothing off my plate, not even the curry patta leaves. Similarly, if you don't try a particular thing in life, how would you know what you feel about it? Be it learning a sport, trying out a new hobby, learning a new skill, meeting a new guy after a breakup, and so on. If you keep saying, "I can't" or "I don't want to do," then you'll never know how to do and how it feels like doing it. I'm not saying go bungee jumping or skydiving, but do the little things which you've always avoided, like asking for help from experts, fighting for your own rights, daring to dream, complimenting someone for the good that they are doing the best that you can for yourself, treating yourself for small wins, and above all, doing everything that you can do only for yourself. Well, I started with eating curry patta. You might think, what great can be achieved by changing this teeny tiny habit of mine? Well, in the first place, this wasn't a habit. It was my rigidity to not do something despite it was good for me. Just imagine I've stopped myself from getting the wonderful benefits that the curry patta leaf holds for around 30 years. Isn't that a big thing? Having an attitude of saying no, never often results in our own loss, just like I did with my YouTube journey. Imagine if I had started it 4 years ago. Well, better late than never. It's amazing how small changes in perspective can lead to significant personal growth. My journey from avoiding certain foods to embracing them not only makes me a little less rigid towards life, but it also reflects a broader lesson about openness to new experiences and overcoming resistance to change. I'm just trying new things in life that resonate deeply and can inspire you, my dear people, to step out of your comfort zones. To conclude this video, let's just stop being rigid about our thoughts and beliefs and do what is good for us. Are you with me in this journey? Tell me in the comment section below that one thing you'd start doing after watching this video. And if you've liked this video, do consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye.